So today our animal architect that we're reading about is the termite. This is our lovely page we're reading today. The termite is a social animal that lives in groups or colonies made up of workers, soldiers, and queens. A colony can have 3 million termites. Each species of termite builds its own type of nest in trees, underground, or in hills that can be 26 feet high. I love that our vocabulary is highlighted as well as the really cool things. Look at these little guys. The termite nest is the tallest structure built by an animal. Oh my goodness. Now I have to find you some termite mound pictures. Remember when we were reading A Tree Full of Life? The termite article was in there too. An airy spire. So a spire is like almost like a tower that goes up into the air. So the termite nest is a tall structure that is used as, I love these bulleted lists in this book, a place to live and organize the colony, a place to bring up baby termites, protection against bright light and high temperatures. How it's built. A building site manager. The queen gives orders to the termites. A place is chosen close to the trees and bushes the termites feed on. Teamwork. The worker termites build the nest slowly using mud mixed with soil, saliva, and poo. So this is reminding me very much of the bee colonies. Is it reminding you of the bees you read about? Clever engineering. The center of the nest contains the living rooms, and many ventilation tunnels are built around it to maintain a pleasant temperature. The termites also dig large underground corridors that connect the termite nest to the trees that provide their food. Here are the characteristics. I love that it tells us that they feed on cellulose from the dead wood that is pre-digested by the worker termites, who then feed the rest of the colony. And their enemies are mainly ants. Well, that makes sense to me because they live in a similar environment. Here are the materials they use. A firm ground to build the nest on, mud mixed with soil, saliva, and feces or poo, cellulose fibers from wood to reinforce the structure. That's what that looks like. Termites' nests are very tough and almost impossible to destroy. The tunnels around the center of the nest are for ventilation to maintain the main room at constant temperature. Remember, constant is that vocabulary word we talked about earlier in the year, which means it stays the same. The worker termites are not only the builders, they also feed the queens and the soldier termites. Let's see where these arrows go to. Let's see. Termite nests are very tough. Okay. The tunnels around the center of the nest are for ventilation. Let's see. Aha. The worker termites are not only builders. Let's see where they are. Oh, I don't see an arrow. All right. An airy spire. The architect is the termite. The contents are the building plans. There they are. All right, that was really a beautiful page about termites.